Imagine turning your product ideas into stunning packaging designs and professional product photos in just minutes, without hiring a designer or photographer. Sounds unreal, right? Today we're exploring Packify.ai, an AI tool that can take your vision and instantly create ready-to-sell packaging that will wow your customers and save you tons of time and money. Whether you're in food, electronics, fashion, beauty, or personal care, Packify.ai has a huge collection of templates that you can tweak to match your brand's style. From modern to minimalistic and even quirky fun designs, it's all possible. In this video, we'll learn 1. How to generate AI-powered packaging designs. 2. How to create beautiful AI-generated backgrounds for your products. 3. How to prepare your designs for printing or e-commerce platforms. Let's get started. Exploring Packify.ai. All right, first things first. When you land on the Packify.ai homepage, you'll see an introduction about the platform. Basically, this is the tool that allows you to generate packaging designs and backgrounds through AI. Scrolling down, you'll notice some amazing examples. Seriously, some of these are mind-blowing. This is perfect for small businesses and startups because you don't need to hire a packaging designer, which saves a ton of money. Creating your first packaging design. Unlike many other platforms, Packify.ai starts with a chat, which is super simple for anyone with zero design or coding experience. Click the AI packaging design button and a pop-up will ask, "What's your vision for the packaging?" Let's say we're creating a box for a calculator. I type in my product name and choose the box type, maybe a shipping box or a cartoon-style box. Then I describe the design style, modern, fun, black and red color scheme. You can even upload your competitors' designs for inspiration. Once you click Start Generating, the AI instantly gives you multiple options. Wow, look at these. The second design is perfect. I can click download, but the background is empty. No worries, Packify.ai has a magic wand for AI backgrounds. Adding AI backgrounds. Let's imagine I run a pizza business. Click AI packaging, design again, type in my brand name. Let's call it Jams Pizza. And describe the style. Cute, animated, healthy, green, and light blue color scheme. Click Start Generating and wow, look at this. Adorable pizza boxes designed instantly by AI. I can also create backgrounds, maybe a pizza delivery scene, and download it in high resolution. Next, let's say I want to design a drink bottle for orange juice. Same process. Type in the product, describe the style, and let AI generate multiple packaging options. Pick your favorite, add a background, download the 2K image, and you're ready to sell. Final thoughts. And that's it. From idea to real product packaging, Packify.ai can save you months of work and make professional designs in just a few hours. Whether you're launching a startup, showcasing a product to investors, or just creating social media visuals, this tool has you covered. Don't forget to try it yourself. I'll leave the link in the description. Drop all your questions in the comments and I'll reply. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.